Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting straight into settings because this change is system level and needs your consent. Once in settings, go to Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode immediately. Enter your current passcode when prompted so you can access the passcode controls. Make sure you also know your Apple ID password in case the phone requests it for security. This step ensures you can toggle security features without being locked out and avoids unexpected data protection prompts. You tap Turn Passcode off and confirm with the passcode you just entered because iOS requires reauthentication to change security settings. If iOS asks for your Apple ID password, enter it to complete the deactivation and avoid activation lock issues. Once disabled, make sure to review Face ID or Touch ID settings too. Turning off passcode can affect these biometric options. Also adjust auto lock so the screen behavior matches your security preference. You finish by restarting the iPhone. That helps ensure the passcode is fully deactivated across system services. After reboot, double-check that lock screen opens without a code and that Face ID or Touch ID behaves as expected. If a prompt later asks for your Apple ID, sign in to confirm changes and prevent relocking. If something goes wrong and you get locked out, use Find My iPhone or Apple's account recovery with your Apple ID credentials to regain access. This is the primary troubleshooting route.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.